My name's Jennifer Fennell, Director of Supply Chain for Polo Custom Products. Our procurement capabilities are managed by 8 supply chain professionals who support our customers' needs from sourcing to delivery. Between us, we manage about 600 suppliers. Utilizing our ERP system is key. The automation this system provides allows us to focus on the exceptions that arise, including on-time delivery, pricing considerations, eliminating the need to touch every transaction. Our efficiency philosophy is simple. Our don't-do list is as important as our to-do list. This mindset allows us to focus on streamlining processes and gaining efficiencies wherever possible. When our suppliers fall short of meeting our expectations in terms of on-time delivery, pricing, or quality, I meet with them directly to develop a robust performance plan. This builds a relationship of trust that supports our success as well as satisfying unique customer needs in the future. Our supplier qualification and risk assessment system is thorough. We review every supplier before the first purchase order to determine the amount of necessary oversight. Our extensive network allows us to find a supplier for any project, making us a valuable resource for custom manufacturing.
Real-time tracking is vital. It helps us mitigate delays and maintain effective communication with our customers. Our strong ties with our freight forwarders, customs brokers, and 3PL providers help us navigate these complexities and save costs.
Polo's use of commodity tracking software allows us to develop should-cost models, giving us the opportunity to challenge price increases and seek decreases when appropriate. We have documented cost savings year over year, often exceeding industry standard, which are often shared with our customers.
During the COVID era, when supply chain disruptions were prevalent, we maintained a 90% on-time delivery rate. This showcases our reliability compared to the industry average of only 10%. Our global presence allows us to pivot quickly between our trusted global partners and our domestic facilities. This allows us to mitigate supply chain disruption for our customers and support the quality they rely on.
Our quality metrics and expectations demonstrate our commitment to quality. Industry standard for soft zone goods is a DPPM of 5,000 or less. Our team challenged ourselves and established a goal of 1,200 or less. Most recently, we achieved and documented a DPPM of 500, 1/10 of the industry standard. Our extensive experience in the industry is enhanced by our involvement with groups such as the Advanced Textiles Association, SEAMS, the Institute for Supply Management, as well as other peer-related network groups. This gives us the opportunity to not only ensure we're meeting best practices, but in some instances establishing those practices. Our supply chain isn't just about the buy. It's about building relationships, ensuring high-quality incoming parts, and making a positive impact across the industry. Together, we are ready for the future.